If camping with a side of luxury sounds like your thing, then the Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen lineup delivers it in spades. Whether you're rolling with a travel trailer or a fifth wheel, this rig brings together high-end finishes, next-level comfort, and all the modern tech to make roughing it a thing of the past. Call it glamping, call it camping with standards. Either way, the Heritage Glen takes it to another level. Let's head inside and see exactly what sets it apart. As soon as you step into the living area, the first thing that catches your eye is the lighting. The 4K strip lighting running along the barreled ceiling paired with subtle puck lights gives the whole space an upscale, almost boutique feel. Larger models feature the Lippert One control system, which lets you control the lighting and more right from your phone or panel, a small touch that makes a big difference. Once you settle in, you'll notice the furniture is no afterthought here either. Every Heritage Glen comes with a tri-fold sofa for lounging or sleeping guests, and many models add theater seats for true movie night comfort. Some even give you both, because why not, right? Dining options range from a booth dinette to a U-shaped setup, or you can elevate the vibe with an optional freestanding dinette for a more residential touch. Comfort isn't just about seating, it's about climate. And the Furion Chill Cube 18,000 BTU main AC keeps things frosty inside, while larger travel trailers and fifth wheels add a second AC unit and even a third thanks to the standard 50 amp service. When it's cold out, the side-mounted heat ducts and the glass front electric fireplace bring serious warmth and style. The kitchen is where the Heritage Glen really flexes though. The Temple Cherry shaker-style cabinetry features soft close hidden hinges and ball-bearing drawer guides. There's no slamming, no cheap shortcuts here. The reeded glass pantry doors with motion sensor lighting and matte gold hardware add a designer flair. The undermount stainless steel sink is deep enough to handle anything, and the solid surface countertops feel straight out of a luxury home. You'll also love the residential style high-rise faucet with pull-out sprayer, perfect for cleanup or washing veggies. There's even a roll-up stainless sink cover for drying dishes or adding prep space. The fridge size depends on your model, 10 cubic foot in travel trailers, 16 cubic foot in most fifth wheels, and an enormous 20 cubic foot refrigerator in the Roost model. Cooking is handled by a 3-burner cooktop or a residential size range in the fifth wheels, and a microwave that actually belongs in a kitchen, not a dorm room. Select models even include a pop-up power station for your gadgets. Now when it comes to entertainment, the Heritage Glen doesn't play small. Each one includes an LED smart TV ranging from 40 to 50 inches, paired with a JBL audio system featuring a head unit, interior speakers, and on fifth wheels, outdoor speakers too. You'll find USB ports scattered throughout, including in the pop-up power stations, so your devices never die midstream. And those massive square windows aren't just for looks, folks. They come with built-in reflective thermofoil shades that keep sunlight out and style in. Moving into the bathroom, Forest River kept the focus on comfort and quality. The shower stall is roomy with a skylight, built-in shelving, and a shower surround for durability. The 60,000 BTU on-demand tankless water heater means long hot showers are always an option when you're connected to city water. Fifth wheels add a touch of elegance with a gold accented faucet, stainless steel sink, and an LED backlit mirror that makes the whole space glow. Every model includes a porcelain toilet because camping doesn't have to mean giving up the good stuff. The bedroom is where the Heritage Glen takes luxury personally. Most models feature a VersaTilt power bed, adjustable at the touch of a button, and it's perfect for reading, watching TV, or just finding your ideal angle for sleep. Bed sizes vary from 60 by 80 inch queens to 72 by 80 inch kings in slide-out models, while select layouts also offer a VersaQueen sofa bed in bunk models. Power outlets flank both sides of the bed so you can charge your phone, run your CPAP, or just scroll yourself to sleep. Storage is also plentiful with wardrobe closets, overhead cabinets, and even under-bed storage bins. Fifth wheels go a step further, featuring full profile front caps with massive wardrobe closets and washer and dryer prep in most layouts. Whether it's long weekends or full-time travel, this setup's got you covered. Stepping outside, the Wildwood Heritage Glen's exterior feels just as upscale. Entry is easy with the step above aluminum steps, and overhead, the power awning with LED lights extends your living space into the outdoors. Every model includes extra large pass-through storage with slam latch baggage doors, giving you plenty of room for gear and fewer chances to pinch your fingers. Up front, travel trailers get a power tongue jack with LED light and power stabilizer jacks, while fifth wheels feature power landing gear and an available auto leveling system. Moving toward the rear, you'll spot thoughtful touches like a pet leash latch, perfect for keeping Fido secure, and nitrogen-filled radial tires with aluminum rims that look great and perform even better. There's also an undermount spare tire, an exterior shower with hot and cold water, and battery disconnect to conserve power. Solar capability is built right in with Solar Prep Standard or an optional 200-watt roof-mounted panel with a 30-amp controller. You'll also find an LP Quick Connect for your grill, backup camera prep, Lippert ladder prep, and an accessory hitch for bringing along bikes or extra gear. Underneath all that style, the Heritage Glen's construction is rock solid. It features an impressive one-piece fiberglass roof with weather shield protection, laminated Aluma Frame sidewalls and floor, and block foam insulation throughout. Even the door casings are wood instead of plastic. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. The heated and enclosed underbelly includes 12-volt heating pads on all holding tanks, keeping everything functional in cooler climates. The flush floor slide mechanism and wide stance axles ensure smoother towing and better balance on the road. Finally, let's talk towing, because this beauty still needs to make it to the campground. The Wildwood Heritage Glen travel trailers range from 24 to 39 feet, with dry weight spanning right around 5,000 pounds up to nearly 9,900 pounds. Lighter models can pair with an SUV like the Dodge Durango, while the heavier units will need trucks such as a Ford F-150 or Toyota Tundra. The fifth wheel lineup moves into full profile territory with dry weights from roughly 9,400 up to more than 15,000 pounds. Calling for bigger haulers like the Ford F-250, Chevy Silverado 2500, or equivalent heavy-duty pickups. Always double-check your tow ratings in the owner's manual, or simply stop by a Camping World where they'll help you match the perfect tow vehicle to your Heritage Glen. The Forest River Wildwood Heritage Glen blends high-end finishes, smart design, and serious capability in a way that few RVs can. It's not just camping, it's camping done you.